Hey, welcome back everybody. So today is intro in the truck day. Anyways, we're gonna go do a collection today. We're gonna hit up all of our locations. First stop is the donut shop, my worst location for my bulk. I have a double head bulk machine in here. Several reasons why I think it's not working out that great is because one, it's a donut shop, and honestly, I probably wouldn't let my kids have a handful of Skittles at the donut shop in the morning, because basically we're getting candy anyways, right? Donuts are basically candy. So anyways, I think I want to change them over to toys. Someone gave me a great idea. I'll try to find the comment and post it right here or right here. But thank you for the comment. I'm going to take you up on that, and I think I'm going to do that. So after that, we're going to run the rest of the locations, you guys. So let's stick around, see how much we make at the end of the day. And I'm really hoping there's some money in this donut shop location. So hey, if you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, stick around. Don't go anywhere. All right, like I said, it wasn't my greatest location, but you know what? It all counts. It's just a drop in the bucket. See what I did there? So here at this location, I didn't really film the whole thing, but what I wanted to talk to you guys about is how this machine wasn't running like 100%, right? So basically what I had to do was I had to change the depth settings. I only had the soda stacked in there 1 deep, so I needed to stack them 2 deep, but the issue was it was dropping out both sodas. So these little metal bars needed to be inserted underneath. Now, I took those metal bars off in the past because I was vending energy drinks and I didn't think that I needed them. And the machine was working fine after I removed them. But now that we're doing 12-ounce cans only, I gotta have those in there because basically it drops a can down there and then that can is staged and ready to vend. So I got the machine running 100%. I'm pretty happy about it. Okay. 100%. It's running perfect right now. Dollar bill, everything. I put some rock stars in there. So there's the green rock stars. There's like 2 green rock stars. Once those run out, it'll be regular rock stars. And then if you guys, if you guys want fruit punch, I put mostly soda because not everybody drinks the rock stars and shit. So yeah, let me know if there's something you guys want me to change, but I'll probably be back in about a week. But it's working 100%, man. I just took it apart and put it back together. So right on, man. Thanks, man. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks. You too. Take it. Have a good weekend. All right. Hey, Dave. Sorry, man, if I'm getting a headache with that machine, but I got all the parts in, and it's running 100% now. Cool. So okay, I'll let you guys know too, because I think you're probably not getting all that much sales. I think a couple of them were leery, but yeah. Yeah. So I told them, I waited for the parts. Yeah, I kind of let most of them know. I'll let them all know, and I gave them all drinks. All right, guys, what's up? So, sorry I didn't do a whole lot of recording in there. I did collect. I showed you that. I had to install these little bars, right? And I kind of showed a little bit of clip. I don't know if the footage is gonna work, but because I didn't double check. But dude, this machine is working 100%. It's working like 100%. I feel so good. I fixed it, and I called Sean the Hustler and asked him if that's what it was that's gonna make it work, and he said yes, make sure it's a depth setting issue. So I fixed it. Man, I'm stoked. I actually feel like I know what I'm doing now, guys. Yes! So all the guys are happy. I went around and told everybody, hey, the machine's working great. The dollar bill validator's working. I gave them all free soda. I talked to the owner. I was like, hey man, I don't know if this has caused you any headaches with your employees, and I really apologize, but the machine is working up and running 100%. Dude, I'm stoked. I actually feel like I know what I'm doing, guys. And quit looking at my zit on my nose. Look at this thing. God, it hurts. Okay, next location. What's up, guys? So check it out. We're at the claw machine location. I'm gonna run in there. We're gonna clean the machine. We're gonna pull out the money. Now, I'm not expecting a really large collection on this because the kids recently started school, and also I haven't put the new plush in yet to entice them to play. So today we're gonna collect, and the next video we'll be putting in that new plush. So let's go. Well, my predictions were correct, but I think if I get some plush in there, somebody's saying put V-Bucks in there. You guys think that's a good idea, put some V-Bucks? All right, let's go to the bar location, which we already know ain't gonna do that great. This looks like it's probably my worst collection ever. And I waited the longest too. But things are looking up. We got the new location, and we also got another machine, the slow location. Well, whatever, the slow location, soda location. I got that machine all dialed into 100%, so we should be able to start collecting a decent amount of money on that one again. And I think I'm gonna give my kids all my gumball machines, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, ready? Let's go check the bar location. Well, they can't have the bar location, obviously, guys. All right, let's go. All right, it's the bar location. Crossing my fingers on this one. Yeah, probably. Put it over there by the scratchers, huh? I'll do that, I'll move it. All right, so I moved it. It's there now. Was there. Now it's there, next to the popcorn, next to the jukebox. It's kind of embarrassing, man. By far the worst. She did say it's been dead, and we were talking about it, and it was a horrible like area for it too. So I moved it in a more visible area. I don't know. I'm not worried about it. It's cool. It's all good. Just keep on growing, keep on expanding, keep on putting in the work. So let's go home and let's count it up. I'm gonna guess 20 bucks. Okay, bye.